Welcome to the Social Intelligence Channel. Did you know that on average, each person is involved in around 5 disputes a day? That's over 1,825 disputes each year. These can range from minor disagreements with friends or family members to more serious conflicts at work or in our personal relationships. It's no wonder that mastering the skill of dispute resolution can significantly improve both our personal and professional relationships. Mastering dispute resolution is an essential skill for anyone looking to build stronger, more effective relationships. When we can resolve disputes in a constructive way, we can avoid misunderstandings, prevent conflicts from escalating, and even strengthen our bonds with others. In fact, resolving disputes effectively can actually increase trust, improve communication, and lead to more harmonious relationships in the long run. Disputes can arise in any area of our lives, whether it's a disagreement with a colleague over a project, a misunderstanding with a friend about a promise, or a conflict with a family member about responsibilities. They can leave us feeling frustrated, anxious, and unsure of how to move forward. In romantic relationships, disputes can be particularly challenging, as they can bring up deep-seated emotions and insecurities. In the workplace, disputes can hinder productivity, damage morale, and even lead to burnout. When disputes are left unresolved, they can also affect our mental and physical health. Stress and anxiety from conflict can lead to poor sleep, digestive problems, and even depression. Moreover, unresolved disputes can create a sense of unease, making us feel like we're walking on eggshells around others, never knowing when the next conflict will arise. So, how can we resolve disputes effectively and avoid these negative consequences? The key is to approach disputes with a clear head, an open heart, and a willingness to listen. The first step is to remain calm and composed, even when the other person is upset or angry. This helps to de-escalate the situation and prevent things from getting out of hand. Next, we need to practice active listening, which means focusing on what the other person is saying, rather than what we want to say next. This involves maintaining eye contact, nodding to show we're engaged, and asking open-ended questions to clarify their concerns. Active listening helps to build trust and understanding, which are essential for resolving disputes. Empathy is also crucial in dispute resolution. When we can put ourselves in the other person's shoes and see things from their perspective, we can begin to understand their needs and concerns. This helps us to find common ground and work towards a mutually beneficial solution. Finally, negotiation is key to resolving disputes effectively. This involves finding creative solutions that satisfy both parties, rather than trying to win the argument. It is important to approach disputes with a professional mindset. By remaining calm, listening actively, empathizing with others, and negotiating effectively, we can resolve even the most challenging disputes. So, the next time you find yourself in a dispute, try using these techniques, and see how they can help you resolve the issue in a constructive way. In conclusion, resolving disputes is an essential skill for anyone looking to build stronger, more effective relationships. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can master the art of dispute resolution and avoid the negative consequences of conflict. Remember, disputes are an inevitable part of life, but it's how we handle them that matters. If you've had any experiences with disputes, we'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about communication skills, be sure to check out our other videos on this topic. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.